Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your aspect ratio for your Android TV. So to change the aspect ratio, you can go to settings on your remote. So there's the setting button on your remote, and you can simply go to the picture settings right here. And then you can go to advanced settings. And if you scroll down, there is the screen settings hidden right here. And you can simply scroll down and go to screen mode. From here you can change your aspect ratio to any aspect ratio that you want. If you want 16:9 zoom, or if you want Cinemera, or if you want the 4:3, the portrait mode, or any aspect ratio that you want, you can simply change it from here. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.